Check out vikingbags.com for your own set of bags, and definitely don't count out the Lamellar Raven extra large for your Nightster. Hey guys, it's Caitlin. I'm here with my 2025 Harley Davidson Nightster. I'm new to the riding world, and as much as I love a little sporty, it definitely left me looking for some options for taking along my stuff on a road trip. And I checked into Harley Davidson. They do make bags for the Nightster, but they're almost $1,000. I don't know about you, that wasn't an option for me. So I did a little bit more research and found Viking Bags. Now Viking Bags does make quick mount bags that work for the Nightster. It's a great option. They're plug and play, no modifications necessary to the bike, but they stick out a little bit from the bike. So I did a little bit more research and found that the 36-liter Lamellar Raven extra large bags with the shock cutout would work with the Nightster as long as I did some slight modifications. So the modification, the biggest thing that I'm gonna have to do for my bike is we're either gonna have to relocate my rear turn signals or get a different option because the rear turn signals stick out quite a bit. Doesn't allow the bags to sit as close to the bike as I'd like. And it's gonna take a little bit of modification, different hardware to mount it. What's awesome about Viking Bags is they do send all of the mounting hardware, but gonna need to do a little bit of modification to get these bags on the bike. These bags are significantly cheaper than the Harley Davidson option. These are under $500 and they're awesome. They're hard bags, they come as a set, they're weather resistant. They're gonna be awesome for my weekend trip and really just give my Sportster a lot of options for traveling and taking my stuff and keeping it safe. So let's go ahead and get these bags on the bike. All right, we've got them on. They look amazing. So these bags are hard top, hard, the whole thing is hard. I got the gloss black option because as soon as I mounted it, it matches the paint of the bike. It also allows for some customization down the road if I decide to ever do any custom paint work to my bike. This finish option is gonna allow me to do that. These bags do come in two other finishes, a leather covered option and a matte black option. So if you like those better, there's options available. So these bags are key lockable. They come with 2 keys. This is going to help secure your items when you're away from the bike. Lock them up, walk away, forget about it, know that your stuff is on there and safe. It does have a latch top opening, which allows for easy access to your items. The weather stripping around the top of the bags helps keep any rain out. You know your items are gonna be clean and dry whenever you get where you're going. There is a zipper pouch in these bags for any of your more valuable items, your license, your registration, money, keys, wallet, that type of thing helps keep them secure and safe from the rest of the items that you have in the bags. So these are awesome. I'm super excited with how they look. They sit nice and close to the bike, which is what I wanted with the shock cutout design of the bags. I think they just really look super intentional with my bike and I couldn't be happier with how they turned out. So check out vikingbags.com for your own set of bags and definitely don't count out the Lamellar Raven extra large for your Nightster.